Sabi mo, wala kang sapat na maibibigay. Paano kung yung kakulangan mo ang kailangan? Para sa mabuong buhay tayo dapat magkapet pandasal. It's so easy to look at the world's problems or even just your own to-do list and feel like you're not enough. We get stuck on this scarcity mindset, thinking we don't have the time, the talent, or the money to make a difference. But look at what's already in your hands. Tulad ng bata na nagbahagi ng tinapay at konting isda, ang ating tiny gestures ay may kapangyarihan baguhin ang buhay ng maraming tao. Don't wait until you're ready or rich to help someone else. When we stop hoarding our energy and start sharing the little bit we have, it somehow multiplies. You have exactly what you need to start right now. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, gamitin ang anumang galing namin upang mabiyayaan ang iba kahit gaano man kaliit ang aming maitutulong para sa kanilang pagbabago. Amen.